Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading KS. So today is Sunday, so this is our Sunday video. So Sunday as usual, Sunday routine will be we talk about KLCI index, the weekly view, then we talk about the sector indexes, the sector index. Excuse my voice a bit, just add a spicy nasi lemak. Wow, very hot, very spicy. So my voice a bit broken. Then we go into the individual stock that we talk about the whole week. Then we go to the Q&A, okay, because some interesting question here. John Matthews, he asked about this TG, the US suddenly spike. Okay, so this one later we take a look. And also this one, I think this one, HIBISCUS, this one is a spam. Okay, so be careful. You see a lot of replies suddenly. Okay, a lot of numbers, all these are spam. So OE asked for update on glove stock. Okay, so today we will look into glove stock also. Okay, so look into the market first before we look into KLCI. This is the important news. Okay, MCO 3.0 extended towards 228. So expected also, but okay, continue all these MCO, all these, and some more extended MCO. So market is lethargic. Market is tired. Okay, so look at the weekly candle KLCI. So KLCI, another pin bar. Okay, another pin bar means the market try to push up, but at the end of the week they are not optimistic, being pushed down last week. This week also market tries to go up. End of the week it's being pushed down. Okay, so these two is a pin bar. These two are bearish. Okay, bearish signal. Okay, bearish sign. Okay, so looks like, okay, now we're testing at 1576. Okay, hopefully 1576 can hold. If 1576 cannot hold, okay, looks like market want to continue to go down. Last week actually tried to go down, but got some support this week. Okay, but another week trying to go down again. So the momentum now is more trying to go down than trying to go up. Okay, wow, what's this? Okay, so market wanted, okay, likely wanted to go down to 1549. Okay, for 1549 we got a lot of support over here. Okay, most likely can support. Okay, but short term bearish. Look at the index. Consumer, so consumer, okay, moving up V shape. Okay, but now pause a little bit. Okay, pause a little bit, slow down a little bit, now sideways. Okay, so due to the COVID, right? You know the COVID is not getting down. Okay, COVID is still 5,007. I think yesterday. Okay, COVID is still haven't really go down, and MCO extended. So this is not sort of bullish news for the consumer. So consumer remain starting to move sideways. Okay, and I talk about this 620. There's a resistance over here, so the price still cannot break the resistance. Once you break the resistance, likely you continue to go up. Okay, see whether we got any news, good news coming out, and the COVID coming down. Okay, hopefully the extended MCO will cut down the COVID. Okay, once the COVID comes down, okay, this one we got opportunity to continue to go up. Now it's sideways, so market is a bit worried because of the, looks like because of the COVID. So consumer depends on COVID. Okay, if COVID cases doesn't go down, this one, okay, we don't expect a full recovery so fast. Okay, maybe we will hover around here sometime. Okay, until the market clears up, then possible. Okay, there is it will continue to go up. Okay, if the COVID suddenly become worse, okay, this one, okay, will be impacted also, negatively impacted. But hopefully, okay, COVID slowly will come down. COVID already started to come down. Okay, but now it's still hovering around the 5,000–6,000 area. consumption are stronger. Consumption, okay, the V-shaped recovery still intact. Okay, looks like consumption is strong. Okay, looks like it has this resistance over here, 175. Okay, hopefully, okay, it can break through 175. Okay, then it will, okay, looks good for continue to go up. Okay, consumption, it looks good. The V-shape, okay, we can see the wait for the V-shape recovery. Okay, the V-shape really started. Okay, the V-shape now already reached halfway here. Okay, now already reached halfway here. We hope that it can, okay, go back to the previous high there. Okay, the V-shape. So now already reached halfway. This one looks better. So I talked about this one, the V-shape. Okay, V-shape recovery of consumption stock. Remember here. Okay, V-shape consumption stock, V-shape recovery, and also consumer stock V-shape recovery. Okay, so if you haven't checked out this video, okay, remember to check out this video. Industry. So industry now looks like not making higher high. So industry in risk. Okay, in a risk. Okay, the price start to coming back down. Okay, so it didn't make higher high. Okay, so this one maybe sideways for some time. Okay, there's no energy, maybe sideways for some time. Okay, the energy didn't bring the price actually higher than the previous high. Previous high is here. The price start to go down. Okay, almost similar high. Okay, so this one in risk. It could come down. Okay, so be careful. Okay, with the industry stock. Okay, the index is not showing any growth anymore. Okay, so this one be careful. If it can break above 195, then maybe got chance. Okay, if it can go above 195, maybe got chance. Okay, this one we have to watch. Okay, but this one doesn't look very nice. Okay, because it's the high, it didn't able to break the previous high. Looks neutral for me now. For now, neutral. So energy is in a downtrend, continue downtrend. So any rebound is short rebound. Okay, any rebound is short rebound, take the money and run. Okay, so this one still continue downtrend, still strong selling. Logistic after the MMC play, big gap here looks like it's still holding okay, but it really reached the top of the channel, so there is a resistance over here. Okay, resistance over here, so we want to see whether it can break above the channel. Okay, it can break above the channel, rebound and continue go up. Okay, so we want to see this one. For now, I put it neutral first. Okay, because this push is not the market push, it's only the MMC push. Technology, okay, technology is this is a bearish. Okay, it's in the downtrend channel. Okay, so the price is again in the downtrend channel, means the price is continue. Okay, you go down. Okay, until it can break above the break out of the channel. Okay, so any rebound over here is short-term rebound. Is opportunity to run. Okay, I don't take this as an investment. Okay, investment opportunity, unless okay it can show that okay it can break above 86. Okay, then maybe the price will continue to go up. So this one started to going downtrend. Okay, so be very careful. Okay, if you continue to go downtrend, remember got any rebound, okay, run. Don't get caught like the glove stock. Don't get caught at the top, and a lot of people get caught at the top, still thinking it still can go up. You see from previous MCO, okay, for 2020, the price has traveled so much. Okay, from 20 over point towards 90 over points. So this is already very big gain. Okay, so I'm not saying that it will not continue to go up. Okay, but it's very difficult to maintain the spike, right? Okay, without a big correction. Okay, without maybe a steeper correction, then only okay got more energy. Okay, it's like the spring. Okay, like a spring. Okay, the more it come back, the more power it can. Okay, it can push up. Okay, but depends depends. Sometimes when the market is very strong, the retracement is very little and it push up again. Okay, so it depends. But looking at this wave, right, it's making a adjustment wave. Okay, so we have to see finish the wave first. After it break out, then only opportunity. Okay, so now I don't see any opportunity. Opportunity is for exit. Finance haven't break out. Finance almost broke out. Okay, so finance still looks good. Okay, looks good. Okay, looks likely want to break out. Okay, once it break out, then most probably okay, the finance market will continue to go up. Okay, it can break out 15431. So then the finance market will be bullish. But a bit worrisome because of the MCO, extended MCO. So all this MCO is not good for bank. Okay, MCO all this is not good for bank. So healthcare continue to drop. Okay, healthcare continue to drop. So we talk about this support and resistance. Okay, this channel, top of the channel and the bottom of the channel, 3395 and 2875. So as long as it's inside this channel, okay, it's inside these two prices, okay, two numbers, right? So the price should be okay sideways inside here. Means rebound also short rebound, drop also short drop. Okay, until it break below or break above. Okay, then the trend change. Okay, to another trend which could be a bullish trend. If it drop below, okay, a bearish trend. Okay, but in the short term, looking at this channel, now it created this channel over here. Okay, looks like the price want to continue to go down to 2875. It looks like want to continue to go down instead of want to go up. Okay, so looks like still bearish to me. Okay, still bearish. Short term bearish, long term sideways. Long term is sideways. Okay, look at these two. Short term is still bearish for me. Okay, means high probability will continue to go down. Okay, telecom. Okay, broke out, no momentum. Now moving back down. Looks like telecom also no momentum. Okay, either sideways or bearish. Okay, looks like either you're going to continue sideways or coming down. Okay, because it cannot hit the previous high 7724. Okay, means no momentum, no continuation momentum. Okay, to push it up. Yeah, property also gaining momentum. Property V-shaped recovery. Okay, getting V-shaped recovery. Okay, hopefully it can continue to go up. So property also looks good, and the construction only the consumer okay a bit lacking. Okay, only consumer a bit lethargic. This one still okay. Okay, the price is still pushing up slowly. Okay, because of the extended MCO and the high still quite high COVID and of course the political, right? The political event now coming up. Okay, whether want to extend the 1st August, right? The darurat or not? Okay, the curfew. So we don't know yet. Okay, so there's a lot of question mark in the market. That's why okay we don't expect okay this V-shaped recovery to surge like last time. Fly like last time. But the sign really see the sign already. Okay, but okay due to some of the thing that some of the issue haven't resolved. Okay, this one will not be very fast. Okay, but as long as COVID comes down, okay, COVID comes down, the vaccination continue. Okay, with the high speed, so this one should be able to okay to go up. I think I finished all right. Yeah, I think so. Okay, let's go into the individual stock. So DNO now is in correction phase. Okay, the price really went up. Okay, now price is in correction phase. Okay, so until it breaks out from this channel, okay, this channel. Sorry, I'm drawing a bit up. Okay, until it breaks out from this channel. Okay, so this correction might continue, so we don't want to play, okay, play stock, okay, we don't want to buy during correction, because we don't know this correction will drop until how far, okay, so always wait for breakup with volume, okay, with RSI, search from RSI and the search of volume, then only, okay, we want to buy into momentum, okay, don't buy correction, or don't buy sideways, or don't buy downtrend correction, because we don't know how far it will go, okay, you buy here, we think we want to break out, okay, a lot of people also in the glove market, right, thought that the correction is short-lived, okay, the price will break out on the next rebound, right, but it did not, right, it goes lower and lower and lower and lower, so don't, okay, don't be, don't guess, okay, don't guess, okay, check the chart. The chart tell us if really breakout means we have higher probability, okay, higher probability, but there's no guarantee, but higher probability is the way that we want to go, at least our chances is higher. MMC. So MMC still holding at 1.785, so no more going up, that's why I say don't chase. Okay, if this hold, okay, once it break down, once it start to break down, it will come back very fast to close the gap. There's a gap over here, okay. So normally market will close back the gap within 3 days. Okay, now already 1 day, 2 days, around 3 days it haven't closed. Okay, so possible there's still chances for it to go up, but for here to go to 2 ringgit is very short distance. To drop back to 1.2 is very far distance, so it's not worth the risk and reward. Okay, the risk and reward is not worth to chase, even though it goes up. GDB, I talk of GDB short term, long term, okay, long term play. So GDB already, okay, already break out, okay, already break out, continue going up. So construction, okay, construction and properties is the index is doing V-shaped recovery. So these are higher probability player. Okay, construction, consumer now because COVID, okay, and the extended MCO now pause a little bit. Okay, but the better one to play for me, right, the sector better to play. Okay, of course consumer, okay, already start V-shape, now pause a bit. Construction and property, okay. Even though the index, okay, the index is sideways. Our KLCI index is sideways. Our index KLCI is sideways. Okay, KLCI is sideways to bearish. Okay, so this one is not a good time to invest. Okay, in such market, but we still can go into the sector and see the sector which one is going up. Okay, as long as the sector that we invest, the sector is moving up, okay, there's still opportunity to invest. Of course, if the KLSE align, okay, this will be the best. Okay, but if not, if it doesn't align, okay, if KLCI is going down, KLCI is sideways or going down, when we want to invest, okay, at least higher probability is find the sector which is positive. Okay, now so this one, okay, still holding 9.4, probably 1.075, okay, opportunity. So we have to see 0.94 whether it can go above 0.94. Okay, if we can go above 0.94, most likely continue to go up. Okay, if we cannot go above 0.94, could be sideways first. Okay, could be sideways first. So this one still have to wait. Now it's hovering at 0.925. Okay, so wait a few more days, see whether it can make a higher high or not. Luster. So luster a bit. So luster after a big push up, okay, now the price starting to go down, okay, go down a bit. This is not a very good sign. So this one watch out, okay, if already go in for luster, luster looks good for the channel, okay. Looks good for the channel rebound, okay. Buy bottom channel, sell top channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel, okay. So this one looks good for buy bottom channel, sell top channel, but the price now suddenly U-turn down, okay. But this one have to be careful. Okay, if the price continue to go down below 0.195, then have to cut. Okay, not every time it will work. Okay, if we play this channel, we really profit 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So this is 5th time, maybe it might not work. Okay, so there's no guarantee every time it work. Okay, but at least if you follow this channel play, right, you will really profit at least 2 to 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 3 to 4 times, right? So this one maybe okay is a loss possible. Okay, there's no guarantee in the market, but market we don't know. We cannot say yet because now the index okay, the index for the industry doesn't look good. Okay, the index is sideways or bearish. So this one might fall. Okay, so this one watch out. If fall, okay, take some losses. Never mind. Okay, don't get caught with 50%. 50%. Capital loss, all these don't get caught. Okay, this way. Okay, 5-10% is normal. Okay, 5-10% losses in buying stock. Okay, not every stock is winners. So if there are losses, quickly cut and run. So this one we have to monitor and see. Okay, if we rebound back, continue to go back up next week, shouldn't be a problem. But industry, it doesn't look so strong. UEM. So UEM, you already buy, already hold above 0.4. If haven't buy, okay, better wait for break above 0.49 first. Okay, better wait break above 0.49, then a better opportunity for long term. Okay, if those who is very good at trading, okay, so there's a possibility to buy at the bottom. Okay, around 0.4, 0.42. Okay, this area. Okay, wait for the price to reach 0.49, see whether it can break out or not. If it cannot break out, take profit. If it can break out, maybe hold and let it continue to run. Okay, if it drop below 0.4, means the triangle broken, exit. Forward Genting. So Forward Genting is a falling knife. Okay, don't play unless it can break above 0.5. This also falling knife. Okay, unless it can break above 0.32. Okay, then possible. With volume, of course. So YTL, I talk about breakout over here. Okay, the channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel, bottom channel, sell top channel. Now already break the bottom channel. Now going back up, so continue to hold towards 0.975. Okay, so stop loss 0.685. Yongtai is consumption. So Yongtai, I said, okay, Yongtai have to hold above 0.3. If it doesn't hold above 0.3, means the price, okay, this could be a false break. Price can be sideways or go down. Okay, so this one, wait for it to go above 0.3. If you can hold above 0.3, okay, then it's the opportunity. Because you can see a break, you see a gap. Okay, a gap normally will be closed around three days. You see, first day, second day, okay, the third day already close the gap. Okay, so this is there is some theory towards this gap play. Okay, first day, second day, third day, the gap has to close. Second to third day. Liang Phát. So Liang Phát, we talked about the breakout over here. Okay, a retest. Okay, hold above 0.975. So continue to hold towards 1.295. Okay, so if the price can break above 1.295, so possible. Okay, there's a still possibility that the price can go up. Let me take a look. 1.5 possible, okay, see what it does at see what happened to 1.295, okay, if we can go above 1.295, then look for 1.5, if it cannot, if it comes back down, means double top, could be a double top, then exit. Science tech. Science tech is sideways, wait for it to break above 4.315, hold above, okay, hold above 1.395, hold above 1.315 first, okay, then only possible for opportunity, okay, if break below 3.95 is exit. So now it's sideways, sideways difficult to play. FL, FL is one industry, I forgot. Yeah, let me check. So FL is okay, by bottom channel, so FL in the channel, okay, you can see FL in the channel, okay, in the channel around bottom, now the price is at the bottom channel, so there's possibility to buy, okay, if buy at the bottom channel, if we drop out of the channel, then have to cut loss, okay, so if the price have a rebound, okay, have a rebound, okay, means the price starting to go back up, then there's a possibility to, okay, to buy and hold to the top of the channel, okay, but this one have to wait, okay, because this one could be very slow, could be sometime October, 4 or 5 months, okay, you spike one time, now really spike, maybe you want to buy also, it will be a few months before it spike again, okay, because you can see there's a trend, okay, okay, a few months, boom one time, a few months, boom one time, maybe a few months, boom one time, so this is how it looks, okay, so this is more likely it will happen like this, so this one even buy, okay, maybe want to hold for some time, okay. So this really show us the previous history, how this stock works, okay. FL Bahat, so MSC. So MSC looks like it's making a triangle, but the pattern is not clear. Okay, the price is still haven't U-turn yet, so we don't know whether this is a triangle or a flat pattern. We don't know yet. So this one, okay, wait for the pattern to form first. Okay, then only we can say how to trade. This one we still cannot say, but looks like now in consolidation. Okay, not good time to buy because looks like now it's consolidating. Okay, buy stock in the uptrend. Okay, always try to buy stock in the uptrend or buy stock in the breakout. Okay, not in the during consolidation. Unless you are expert, then you know how to play the sideways market, which is expert. WCT. Okay, WCT looks like it's in the channel also. Looks like now it went back into the channel. Okay, so this one can hold above 0.455. Okay, sell maybe at the top of the channel. If it breaks back out or the outside the channel below 0.455, sell. So IJM today already hit the target. Okay, CMB target now coming back down. I think this one, okay, still got potential to go up, hold a few more days and see what happens. LBS. So LBS already hit almost at the center channel. Now it's coming back down. Okay, coming back down. So still hold. Okay, still have to hold it above 0.425. Okay, if you hold, if you below above 0.425, still can hold. Okay, still inside the channel. Okay, as long as inside the channel, I think still can hold. Okay, but the price was sold down a little bit. So there's two places to take profit. Okay, for longer term, okay, one bigger profit. Okay, have to wait for the top of the channel, but it will take some time. As I said, okay, it takes some time. Then one big spike, it takes some time. One big spike, maybe this one will take some more time. Only one big spike, so it may not be so close. But this one, okay, you really hit the middle. Okay, almost hit the middle of the channel. Okay, so there is profit to be made. But I think this one still can hold. I think, okay, maybe give it some time. Okay, we still got chance to go back up. Because LBS got a lot of project coming in. Okay, so this one still got time, still got chance. MKLAND. Okay, MKLAND also V-shaped recovery. Okay, it didn't touch the bottom channel, but almost V-shaped. V-shaped still hold above 0.185, so target, okay, around 0.265, 0.33, 0.235, okay, to 0.265, okay, around this area. WCE. So WCE, watch 0.445 and 0.405. Okay, a break from break above 0.445, still got opportunity to go to 0.5. If it cannot break above 0.445, most likely it come back to 0.45. Okay, could be sideways for a while. Okay, it cannot break and hold above 0.445. Okay, then it could sideways or could go down. Okay, so this one be careful. SBSETIA. Okay, so bottom channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel. Now the price come back a little bit, so this one still hold above 0.965. Okay. So KLK continue downtrend. Wait for a breakout above 22.7. Okay, maybe the opportunity. IJMPLNT. IJMPLNT already fly. So be careful. This one don't chase. If you want to close the gap. Okay, so this one will okay, will be dangerous. Okay, if it started to close the gap, it will be quick. It could happen quick. So this one, okay, so chasing here is dangerous. Might drop. Okay, I'm not saying it won't continue to go up. It might continue to go up. Okay, but chasing now is too late for me. So MRCB second win. Okay, so this one looks like you really buy already, just hold it. Okay, below above 0.405. You haven't buy. Okay, better wait for it to break above 0.5. Okay, then only possible. Okay, better opportunity. Okay, because now when it hit the 0.5, okay, it can, because it got a selling pressure over here, resistance over here, so it can fall back down. Just can. Okay, just can in a channel, so possible. Okay, possible buy for the bottom channel, possible opportunity to go up. Okay, we want to look for a stronger, okay, V-shaped momentum. Okay, V-shaped recovery here, or V-shaped rebound, or U-shaped rebound. Okay, then only, okay, possible better opportunity going up. We want to see a rebound first. Now looks like wanted to rebound, but not strong enough. Okay, still sideways over here. You see when it rebound, it got a Okay, you got a big candle over here. You see last time when it rebound, okay, you got a big candle over here, a big spike. You see a big spike over here. Okay, a big spike, okay, initiate when the rebound start. So this one, if we got a bigger spike over here, bigger volume, okay, then possible, okay, there's a continue momentum up. So PECCA don't chase, PECCA a bit dangerous, okay, dangerous. So it cannot break above 4.625, so it went above and straight come back down, false break, so this one might continue to come down. Hibiscus. So hibiscus big gap up, now it looks like want to come back and close the gap, okay, looks like want to come back to close the gap. So this one already hit the take profit 0.77 already, okay, now already come back to close the gap. Okay, so this one after close the gap, we have to see whether, okay, it want to continue to rebound or want to go down, okay. So this one watch out, as I said, this energy stock, okay, big profit run already, okay. So Sabah is still going down, don't catch the falling knife, wait for you V-shaped recovery. Top group ADVENTA, KPPROP. Later we talk about the glove stock, because got a lot of interest on the glove stock, because of the sudden spike on the US market. So later we talk. PROLEXUS. Market is just no energy. The only market, okay, the only sector with energy is, we can see, is consumer consumption and consumer consumption and property, right? So all these are no energy. You see a spike straight away, okay. The second spike no more going up, okay, coming down, okay. But this one still hold above 0.98, okay, hold above 0.98. So the best is if the price can go above 1.2, okay, then indicate that it's very strong momentum going up. Okay, if the price cannot go above 1.2, maybe I think sideways first. Okay. The PROLEXUS, I think shouldn't be going down anymore. Okay, because they are still making good margin from the mask. Okay, and they're expanding. They're talking to expand their business because they can't make enough mask. And the market demand actually more masks. Okay, so they actually wanted to expand the business. So with such a news, right, it doesn't seem that that the price want to go down. Looks like already, okay, looks like already hit rock bottom. Okay, looks like now slowly, okay, slowly recovering. GENETEC. Okay, GENETEC in a triangle, okay, so wait for the break above the triangle for a buy, okay, wait for a break above the triangle for buy, okay, if already holding the stop, break below the triangle, it's a run, okay, so this one wait and see. MPAY. So hope you guys doing well on Sunday, okay, today a bit of a rainy Sunday in KL here. So just want to highlight a bit. Remember, okay, help me subscribe to my channel, like and share, okay, because this is very important for the channel. And remember to check out my Facebook, because anything that I post in the afternoon, okay, I will post on the Facebook first before I talk about it in the evening. Okay, MPAY still hit the first target, okay, 0.265, okay. So there's possibility, okay, the price might still go up, okay, continue to hold, okay. Watch 0.215, it can still continue to hold about 0.215, okay, most likely it can continue to go up. Darwin, I didn't talk about Darwin, right? So Darwin starting to sideways, any rebound for now is opportunity to run, okay. So unless it can break above 0.18 and hold above 0.18, then only we see, okay. Unless the price, okay, can go above 0.18, hold above 0.18, then likely opportunity to continue to go up. Okay, so it failed to break 0.18 many times. Okay, so it could be like that. Okay, so this one better don't invest. Okay, and my my bias towards the technology stock also not very positive. Okay. GENETEC, I talked about GENETEC, the breakout over here. Okay, now the price should break 4.5. Okay, so yeah, hold above 4.5 for continued growth. So this one already broke 4.5. Look like it want to continue to go up very strong. This one. Okay, so now if play over here, okay, put the stop loss below 4.28, not below 4.28, close first, then most likely, okay, it can continue to go up. UCREST in the triangle, break below the triangle, run, break above the triangle, okay, maybe can invest or can run, okay, broke above, okay, opportunity, those who get caught higher, okay, maybe, okay, opportunity to run, break below, okay, cut loss, okay, looks like this one already going already, so be very careful. If it breaks below here, right, breaks below this triangle, okay, looks like head and shoulder, okay, so this one can continue to come down, sideways, okay, head and shoulder, so this one can continue to go down, so this one be very careful. Okay, if the price rebound, okay, opportunity to run first, because this one already going, okay, already going. So this one also, okay, already big going here, okay, so this one, if the price goes up, those who already get caught up here, okay, get caught high price, the price went up, okay, opportunity around 0.8, 0.9, okay, opportunity to run, okay, so I don't feel that this is an investment. HS Engineering. HSS. So HSS in the triangle, okay, break below 6.8, 0.68. Okay, so there's an opportunity, break above here, opportunity to go to the CMB target 0.89. We want to wait for a break. If we don't want to wait for a break, okay, this one could be sideways very long time, so we don't want to get our money stuck here long time, or even the price can go down, okay. So we don't want to go in when the market is uncertain. We want to see at least some kind of advantage to our in our favor, right? Then only, okay, we want to go in. So Asia. So Asia beautiful V-shaped recovery. We talked about V-shaped recovery. Okay, so beautiful V-shaped recovery now slow down a little bit because of the COVID, okay, and the extended MCO now slow down a bit. Okay, hopefully it can continue to go up. In Asia talking about August. Okay, August that they want to fly to 16 location. Okay, 16 lines. 16 location in Malaysia. Okay, so August. So, but all these okay, depend on the COVID. Okay, if the COVID cannot be controlled, this one will be in trouble. Okay, but V-shaped recovery started. Fitness. So fitness is in a channel. Okay, in a channel. So as long as this one want to play, have to play buy cheap. Okay, buy cheap, buy at the bottom of the channel around 20, 22 cents. So if you have this kind of spike, okay, if you have this kind of spike, okay, so buy cheap, okay, or okay, it can break above this, okay, draw a line here. So you can break and hold above here, then maybe it want to continue to go up. Okay, want to rocket up. So this one, we don't know yet because a lot of selling pressure over here. See here the price cannot sustain above 0.33. Okay, it cannot sustain above 0.33. If it can sustain hold above 0.33, then maybe there's another goring, okay, another section, people want to goring it another round, okay, but it cannot hold above 0.33, okay, the price maybe want to come back down like last time, okay, history already happened, so this one might want to come back down, then if we buy it cheap, maybe a few months, okay, it will spike again. So history always repeat itself. LKL also is healthcare. So LKL is a falling knife, don't catch a falling knife. INSAS also is downtrend, continue downtrend, but there is possibility that you want to break out. Okay, so we can break out 0.86, then possible there's opportunity. Okay, watch here, if you can break out hold above 0.86, then possibility that it can continue to go up. Looks like you got chance to break out. PENTAMASTER. So PENTAMASTER is in a downtrend, correction, okay. So any rebound, any rebound towards 5.6, around 5.6. So it's an opportunity to escape. It's not opportunity to invest. Okay, because we don't want to invest in a trend that is coming down. KP property. So KP property wait for rebound, a break above 1.08, maybe another V-shape recovery going back. E&O. So E&O, first wave, second wave, this could be a third wave, so this one a bit risky, okay, even if it goes up towards 0.77, okay, if it goes up 0.77, maybe run first, okay, take the money and run first, because this one we are afraid it's a third wave. Okay, first wave, second wave, third wave, okay, of the added wave, so this third wave might start to come back down. So for any rebound, okay, take your profit first. Because this one already goring, MFCB. So MMCB is sideways, wait for break above 3.9 or break below 3.2, okay, a rebound at the bottom, then only buy. Okay, now it's sideways, nothing we can do unless you are professional. Okay, you know how to trade the sideways. TNLOGIS. So TN also sideways, okay, nothing much we can do. A break of 0.935 maybe, okay, it can invest. Or the price come back below, come back to 0.75 and rebound, maybe we can buy the range. Okay, if we can buy between 0.75 to 0.935, but this one have to watch, okay, have to watch the chart, have to know how to see the chart, then only, because we won't know, okay, whether how the price is moving, okay, inside the rectangle. MMAG. MAG, a lot of people get caught. So MAG still continue to go down, okay, so this one, okay, any rebound is opportunity to run, so continue to go down, so this one downtrend continue, there's nothing to play. Okay, so now we want to look at the growth stock, so there's a question about here, okay, John Matthew asked about the US, the US listing, the top glove listing, okay, share suddenly spike. So I checked the news, there is no special news, all is bearish news, okay, all is negative news on the top glove, analysts cut earning forecast for top glove Q3 earning fall nearly 30%, so all these things are bad, okay. On the June 10, okay, June 10, so June 9 got some good one, okay, post near 6.4 jump in the Q3 pandemic demand, but the earning forecast is down. Also this month, okay, we don't see anything good yet, but you can see the price. Let's go into the glove. So just refresh our mind a bit after talking so many things. Look at the healthcare index. Okay, so index is okay in the downtrend channel. Okay, in the long term is sideways. Okay, and in the short term is in the downtrend channel. Looks like it still want to continue to go down. So this is a US listing. Okay, US listing suddenly, okay, a top glove in US. So suddenly broke out from the channel and it's very big, very strong spike. Okay, so it's almost like 70%. Crazy spike. Okay, so we don't know this one Malaysia will follow or not. What we can do is watch top glove. Okay, watch top glove until Friday. Top glove is still on a downtrend. It's still coming down. Short term is in a downtrend. Long term is in a sideways. Okay, the price JP Morgan gave us 3.5. The fair value still not yet hit. Okay, still possible. It still continue to come down. US spike doesn't mean Malaysia will continue to spike. Okay, but there is a possibility. So watch out. Watch here tomorrow. Okay, watch out. See whether the price of any break, any spike. Okay, will be opportunity for those who get caught in the high. Okay, opportunity to run. Okay, so if we want to invest, right? We want to invest still. We want to see. Okay, we want to see the price to break above 6.125. Okay, 6.125. Okay, so the price can break above and hold above, then maybe, okay, we are talking about a bull market for the top glove. Okay, but this one could be just a short-term play. Okay, escape run for those who trade short-term trade day trader. Okay, trade 60-minute chart. Short-term trader hold a few days. Most probably got chance to play, but as I said, okay, I will not play even though okay this one comes back. Okay, until it can tell me that it got longer term investment opportunity, it can hold above 6.125. Okay, only I will go in because we still have this JP Morgan target. Okay, so downtrend target. So be very careful this one. Okay, but this one watch tomorrow what happened. Okay, this one already show the US. Okay, already show big spike. Big spike. We don't know what news. I also don't know what news. Okay, so maybe there's something new coming up. Okay, will it affect Malaysia? We don't know yet. Okay, this one maybe just affect US, but US the movement are similar, quite similar to Malaysia. Okay, the movement is quite similar to Malaysia. You can see. Okay, it's quite similar. The pattern. Okay, so this one. This spike, okay, this spike might get tomorrow. Top glove might also have this spike over here. We don't know, but that's why watch out. Okay, what I can say, watch out. Okay, for me, I prefer a breakout. Okay, for short term rebound possible. There's still possible because we are in this channel and top glove is still okay. Just hit the bottom of this channel. So there's a possibility of rebound also. SUPERMX continue downtrend. So SUPERMX already broke down. Already broke down from the previous low. Okay, so looks like you want to continue to break down, or unless there are some big news in the US. Okay, some big news in the US that cause the market. Okay, cause the glove market to rebound. Okay, maybe some pandemic. Okay, related news coming. Okay, so. If there is a severe pandemic news, okay, maybe all this stock will continue, okay. But if there is no new pandemic news, right? No serious news, so this one looks like it already broken. The range that I talk about. Okay, so watch 3.82 to 5.65. So if it stay inside, we are looking at long term, okay, sideways. So now like it wanted to break. Okay, but one day break is not confirmed. Okay, we want to, if next week also it started, it stay below here, then possible you want to continue go down. If next week, okay, it comes back up, okay, then likely, okay, the price will be possible will be in a, okay, sideways first, or if it goes above 5.6, then maybe a bull market coming. RUBBERREX. Okay, similar, all similar. RUBBERREX is also testing the bottom. Breaks below means continue to go down. Okay, if it rebound means short term, it can rebound within this area. Sideways, short term rebound. If it breaks above 1.345, then maybe got an opportunity to continue go up. Okay, LKL is a falling knife. KOSSAN similar. Okay, it's inside this okay, sideways market talk about okay, short term is still going down. Okay, looks like it's heading towards the 3.15. If 3.15 rebound, okay, likely there will be sideways market short term rebound. Okay, if it breaks below, means it's continue, the price will continue to drop. HLT also similar, okay, drop almost to the 0.805, the bottom here. Okay, if the price can rebound, okay, then most likely, okay, it can have a, okay, short-term rebound, okay, towards 1.295. Okay, so this is, if you can see the chart properly, okay, all these if the rebound happen, okay, if the rebound happen at the, okay, bottom of this channel, the price come back up, okay, why we want to buy after the price broke this line, right? Okay, because if the price broke this line, it indicate a double bottom, okay, which is a bullish, okay, bullish structure. And when the price actually broke the neckline, which is here 1.29, it breaks the neckline, okay, a retest resumption, then this is a bullish, okay, bullish signal to buy. Then this one I'm interested. Other than that, no, okay, I'm not interested. It's similar, you can see similar. Similar, okay, KOSSAN, okay, comes up here, comes down here, it comes back up here, okay, it breaks above, then this could be a double bottom setup. Okay, so we want to look for the structure to play out first, the pattern to show us first. Okay, don't jump the pattern. Where if I jump, if I buy here, okay, possible. Okay, if I buy too early, I try to buy over here. Okay, and think that the double bottom, this double bottom, but what if it's continue to go down? Okay, so don't simply take the risk. Hatta already broke below, that's why you see Hatta already broke below, so the double bottom never materialized, okay, the double bottom didn't happen. So, okay, that's why if you think that this is double bottom, you try to buy here, right? But what if it didn't? So it continued to fall. Okay, so this one looks like Hatta want to continue to fall. Ceramic already dropped very low, okay, it's similar. I talk about 0.67 need to cut loss already, so this one already cut loss. Comfort also testing the double bottom, see whether the double bottom works or not. Okay, so it's at the bottom here. Okay, the bottom of the channel. So now we want it to see whether it continue to go down. It continue to go down means the downtrend continue. So if we rebound here short term, okay, for short term player maybe can play. For us, want to wait for the price to break above 2.7. Okay, retest. Then this is a reversal pattern. Then only we go in. Okay, just like the consumer stock, we talked about V-shaped recovery, right? Okay, V-shaped pattern, V-shaped reversal pattern, right? This is okay, so this one could be a double bottom reversal pattern. Okay, double bottom, then okay, we want to break off the neckline, okay, we want to go in. Okay, double bottom is similar of a double top, okay, look at top left, okay, top growth is a double top. Okay, a broke, retest, come back down, so the price is going down. Okay, so this just reverse it. Okay, K plus also similar. K plus broke this line, okay, broke the current sideways line. Okay, but there's still another line over here. I think this line now we have to bring it down here. Okay, so as long as it stay above 1.21, okay, still the sideways, we still consider this sideways because this one is a bit bigger, the sideways action. Okay, so this one we wait and see. Okay, if we come to the bottom rebound, this one got more room. Okay, this one maybe can trade the rebound, but still, okay, I do not. Okay, because too much risk. Okay, in trading this, but there's still possibility. Okay, possibility RSI making lower, higher low. Okay. Okay, there's a possibility if the price rebound here, plus a possibility there's short-term play. Okay, short-term play. But when we want it to break here, at least break this channel first. Okay, at least break this downtrend channel. Okay, at least the price break above this downtrend channel, then only okay we want to go for a buy. ADVENTA. Okay, so now you see it's falling, still falling. Okay, it's really lower than the previous low. Looks like this one. Okay, want to go for a downtrend. So ADVENTA also okay, better don't play. Okay, any rebound is opportunity to run. Similar to all the others. Any rebound opportunity to run. Okay, and for us, if we want to invest, okay, if we want to invest, wait for the price to okay show us that this one already come us a triple bottom. Okay, triple bottom 1, 2, 3. Okay, rebound, break the neckline, then only okay we want to go in here. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.